market's moving like a stream. Candles flashing, volume crashing, focus on the dream. Persistence in the blood, discipline in every trade. Analyze, strategize, stack the wins we made. Stop loss tight, take profit right, don't let emotions slide. Trading smart, play the charts, let the trend be your guide. Pattern watching, EMA touching, RSI in line on one them hit. Breakout lit, we strike at the right time. Wake up early and tell your son. 100 traders deep, yeah, the grind's begun. Coffee strong, notebooks out, focus in the zone. Pablo on the mic, trade the plan, stay grow. Bart steps in like cut losses early. Keep the mindset sharp, never trade it blurry. Pablo drops wisdom, analyze upset, demo chime. Knowledge in the room, yeah, hits like an army. All in the win, we don't play, we commit. From the charts to the beach, every lesson we hit. Diamond hands in the sand, green candles in sight. All the traders rise up, we gon' win this fight. Done. Lunch break vibe, energy's high, community's alive. Back on the charts, live trading's lit. Pips on the screen, yeah, we stacking that grit. Mentors guide moves, strategies flow. 1 week together and the level gon' grow. Poolside chill, beaches wide, drinks cold, but the fire in our eyes can never be sold. All in the win, we don't play, we commit. From the charts to the beach, every lesson we hit. Diamond hands in the sand, green candles in sight. All the traders rise up, we gon' win this fight. To the late night talks, we build dreams strong like concrete blocks. No fear in the squad, every loss a lesson. It's higher heat fuels the trading obsession. Laughs at the table, wisdom in the air. 100 strong, yeah, we all declare financial freedom, dreams unlocked. All in traders, yeah, we run this block. Defined, we laugh, we learn. Fantastic crowd, determined voices speaking loud. We know what we want, we know the plan. Financial freedom in every hand. All in traders, we don't back down. Forex on the charts, we run this town. Hot sun beaches, sky so blue. Financial freedom, we're coming through. Dream home, dream car. Together we rise.
Finally here. It's just getting started, guys. A lot of companies from all over the world. Yesterday we had a greeting party. We already met some people. Let's go. Today we're gonna meet even more people than yesterday. We are making some contacts because we want to expand global. We are getting into US market, Asian market, Norwegian market, German market. So we're gonna be all over the world. Basically, this expo gonna help us to expand. On the left hand side, this is our partner Axi. To be honest, we are here the only company that is showing AI tool for trading. The only company. I think it's pretty amazing. This is AI bot which is trading by itself, so you don't need to basically open positions. You don't need to look every 5 minutes what's going on. You can just open bot. He will trade for you guys. Win rate is more than 87%. It's quite impressive, I would say. For the last few days, this trading bot made me over 50% of account. Okay, 50%.
Yo, traders, rise up. It's grind time. All day, every day. Let's get it. Keep it steady, keep it real, stay consistent in the game. Mindset lock eyes on the charts, never playing no shame. Risk control, patience gold, every candle tells a tale. We grind, we shine, we climb, traders never fail. Keep it steady, keep it real, stay consistent in the game. Mindset lock eyes on the charts, never playing no shame. Risk control, patience gold, every candle tells a tale. We grind, we shine, we climb, traders never fail. Wake up, check the screens, markets moving like a stream. Candles flashing, volume crashing, focus on the dream. Persistence in the blood, discipline in every trade. Analyze, strategize, stack the wins we made. Stop loss tight, take profit right, don't let emotions slide. Trading smart, play the charts, let the trend be your guide. Pattern watching, EMA touching, RSI in line on more than hit. Breakout lit, we strike at the right time. Wake up early, answer your sun. 100 traders deep, yeah, the grind's begun. Coffee strong, notebooks out, focus in the zone. Pablo on the mic, trade the plan, stay grow. Bot steps in like cut losses early. Keep the mindset sharp, never trade it blurry. Pablo drops wisdom, analyze upset, demo chime. Knowledge in the room, yeah, hits like an army. All in the wind, we don't play, we commit. From the charts to the beach, every lesson we hit. Diamond hands in the sand, green candles in sight. All the traders rise up, we go win.
Good morning, guys, ladies and gentlemen, traders. Guys, we're gonna start our live trading session. Hopefully today is gonna be a better day for me, of course, because yesterday wasn't the best day, trading day. But guys, I want to show you something in a second, because I'm in position and I've put that trading, 1 second. I've put that trade on our Discord channel before I open it, so you can see it's right here. Trade is secured, and right at the moment I got $4,000 profit. And I want to show you also Discord, so you can see that I've put that trade before it was basically activated. Let me just I'm gonna say it different. I've opened the trade here, but I've sent signal on our Forex channel. So let me just show you. It was right here, 7:49 in the morning, buy limit, entry, stop loss, take profit, and take profit too. And at the moment, I've got nearly $4,000 profit from this trade. So guys, if you are on our Discord channel, you could see this trade before it was activated. You can see here activation of this trade, and before, of course, the price was right here when I've sent the this trade to our Discord channel. So the price went down, the trade was activated. Actually, I opened it a little bit earlier, but it doesn't matter. The signal for you was to set pending order right here, and you can see we are heading to the target, which is good, 4,000. $3,500. I'm going for full take profits. This trade, I'm gonna explain you now in details why I've opened this trade, what happened. So we're gonna go through that before we're gonna start our session. So the day started pretty good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna move my break even. I think I'm gonna go for full take profit. So let's have a look, guys. It's at the charts, okay? So I'm gonna open the trading view and I will explain you this trade in details right now. Okay. So first of all, I was looking at the US dollar index. So it's not only ASAP strategy, not only target, but I was looking at US dollar index because, as you know, when the US dollar index is getting stronger, also currency pairs like USD CHF, USD CAD, USD JPY, they are also getting stronger. So we can see right here that the price was bouncing from the trend line, and we were closed this morning right here. And we can see some reaction. So I jump onto USD JPY to see if I can find anything for myself to enter this trade. And let me just show you. This is USD JPY. Look, this is target, standard target from the previous day. All right. So if we look on the higher time frame, we can see that there was reaction at support resistance zone right here. So the price went through, we went back, and there was reaction, which is good. So we could basically find a trade using 1 hour time frame, but I don't usually use 1 hour time frame. I try to use 5 minutes time frame. So we can see here the price bounced once and they went up, they bounced again. Okay, so here I just added the trend line. Basically, I've opened the trade, I think, after this candle, but the signal for you was after the breakout, there was small imbalance right in this place, and trade was activated here. To close this imbalance, activation, and we are on the way to the full take profit. So stop loss, of course, it could be a little bit smaller, but it doesn't matter. This is safe trade, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and we are on the way to the full take profit. So the day started very good. So you could see that trade before it was open on our Discord channel on the Forex channel. You can see it right here. So after reaching the take profit number 1 halfway, you had 2 options. First option was to set break even and take half of your profit. So you can secure your profit and secure your trade. So even if the price will come back, you will still get some money. And the other option was to set break even, and that's what I did. I've set break even, and I'm trying to get full take profit. We are not too far, so fingers crossed we're gonna start the day like a pro, guys. So yeah, trade is open, trade is also secured. Few pips, we are missing just few pips, so hopefully we're gonna get to full take profit, and we're gonna start day with $5,000 of profit, $5,600. So basically, I can move it to $5,000. Why not? It's gonna be 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Let's do it like this. So 3,800 at this moment. We just need few more pips. So yeah. Now we're gonna look for some more trades like this because probably we got some more targets we can use this morning. But before we're gonna do that, I want to first check macroeconomic calendar, because we need to check that before every single session, guys, especially if you are trading on founded accounts, instant accounts. You need to make sure that you do not trade during high impact news. All right. So let me just open the website. 1 second. We're gonna go to AI Quintel. Yes, we're gonna use AI Quintel every single day now. We got most of the information we need right now. We're gonna have some more because we are waiting still for some updates, but we got access to commitment of traders reports, and we're gonna use that for swing trading using money flow strategy. But we're gonna do that probably. We're gonna start maybe on Friday. I need to check the dates of the reports and stuff like that. So definitely from next week we're gonna start money flow on our live trading sessions. Let me just check, guys, the position because we are getting close to full take profit. Let's have a look. We are about to reach full take profit, guys. $4,500 at this moment, and we are missing just 2 pips. Okay, that's good. So we're gonna check that in a second. It should be, we should have full take profit on this one. Okay, so we're gonna go through commitment of traders reports, of course, when we're gonna start doing looking for some opportunities using money flow strategy. But now let's focus on our microeconomic calendar. And you can see over here, we can check today, tomorrow, the whole week, month, yesterday. We got many different options. So I want to check today. And we got all USD. 1 second. Let me just update it. Okay, I got US dollar, but we can click all. So we're gonna see all the news from different countries, and we can click on here to check high impact news. Like you can see, 8 a.m. we got some. That was like hour ago. We had some important news in Germany, but now it doesn't matter for us. And I'm gonna check also medium impact. We got what time is it? 9:10. So what's coming up? What's important? Crude oil, stock exchange. Okay, today is Wednesday, so we got some informations later on 4:30 p.m. About crude oil. So we're gonna have some reports. So probably we're gonna have to include that in our trading plan. But we're gonna do that later. We don't need to worry about that at this moment. It's still early, guys. So basically, we don't have any important news today. Is it good? Of course, it's good because nothing is gonna block us from getting nice profits, guys. So we know what's going on in our microeconomic calendar today, so we can move straight to our charts. First, I'm gonna open MT4 platform because we got very nice tool which help us to find daily targets, and not only daily targets from previous day, but also from different hours. So we can find many of them on different instruments. So even if there's nothing on Euro or GBP, we can find something maybe on USD, JPY, crude oil, gold is working very well. So let's start from Euro USD, and I'm gonna click on here. You can see this panel right here. We can calculate position sizes. We can set limit orders. Also, we got previous day, week, month highs and lows. We got clusters, which are very important. So because these zones can block us from getting to the target. And also imbalances, swings, and Pharaoh mode. Pharaoh mode is something, is a tool which helps us maximize profits. So it's very helpful. Probably we're going to start using this Pharaoh mode as well for our imbalances setups. We will see. So I'm going to click on DT. That means daily target. So we can see this target is already done. Okay, it has been settled. So, oh no, 1 second. Yeah, we still got the target. Good. This target is higher, which is good because if you look at the price is moving up all day since morning. And if we're gonna have some pullback, we're gonna try to get to that target maybe later. Okay, so we're gonna make a plan. Guys, I'm about to reach full take profit. 1 second. Come on. Come on, come on. Yes. Very nice start of the day, guys. Got full take profit, USDJPYY. So yeah, we got full take profit, and which is very good. Early morning, early start, and we started from take profit of $5,000. So this take profit covers all my losses from yesterday, and I'm in plus. So this week is pretty good so far. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna have some more time, of course, to find some great opportunities, and that's for sure. Okay, so we know there is a target on Euro USD, right? Which is higher. So let me just jump into 1 hour time frame. I want to see where is the price. Yeah, are we in some kind of rotation channel? Maybe, you know. So we're gonna check that in the second. Any rotation channel like this can be. Can be. 1 second. Yeah, I think we were in the rotation channel. I'm not gonna do it like this. There is reaction, but it doesn't matter. This rotation channel was working pretty good. We had some overshoot, and you can see when the price came back into this rotation channel, we got some reactions from the bottom, so from the inside of this rotation channel. Okay, then the price went up again, and look, they are respecting this rotation channel because there was retest and we are going up. So we are outside the rotation channel, which is good because something may change over here. The market structure from 1 hour time frame, it's bullish at this moment, so we need to find the right place to enter the trade to go up. The only thing is, I'm wondering about how you call it, US dollar index, okay? Because there is a little bit different situation on US dollar index. You can see we are still, is it rotation channel? Let's have a look. Just remove it. Okay, yeah, the price is moving in rotation channel, that's for sure. So if we're gonna go higher, that means Euro USD is gonna drop down. So this one can be a little bit tricky. I always try to compare US dollar index to Euro USD because sometimes it helps me to make the right decision. Okay, if you look at US dollar index and also Euro USD, we can see they are looking very similar. It's like a mirror view. Okay, let me just show you. On the top, we got US dollar index, all right, and bottom, this is Euro USD. 1 second. Okay, should be like this. So you can see when the US dollar index is going down, Euro is going up. Euro is going up, US dollar index going down. So we can use this information. Okay, we can use that information, and this rotation channel on US dollar index, for me, it's working much better than on Euro USD. Okay, so maybe you're gonna try to use it, but for some long opportunities on Euro USD, we definitely need to be a little bit careful with that target because, if US dollar index, if this rotation channel is working, we might retest it again. Why not? But if it's still in the game, there is a chance the US dollar index will get stronger. And for Euro, that means Euro should go down. Okay, so the situation will be much different if we're gonna break through this channel. We can expect, US dollar index to go down and euro to go up. So we know what's going on US dollar index, that's for sure. Let me just go to 5 minutes time frame. And US dollar index also, look at this, guys, we got some kind of gap. Okay, so this gap can be closed today, but they don't need to close this gap. Basically, do not try to focus on the gaps, because many times US dollar index, when they are getting close to the gap, they are reversing. Okay, so you think they're gonna close it and they're doing something like this. So I'm not gonna focus on this gap. I know it's there. Maybe, later it will help us, but I want to go back into Euro USD, because now I've got bigger picture of the whole situation. Okay, so we got target, that's for sure. It's still available for us because it's a little bit higher, but first of all, because we went through this rotation channel, we got this line, this is rotation channel from higher time frame. Okay, so if we're gonna go back and we're gonna retest this channel, we may look for some opportunity to go up using the trend line, because we're gonna have some more space to get to the top. Okay, and probably we can try to measure the whole impulse since morning, and this is somewhere around 61.8, which is good. Okay, but we need for sure more space. Now we are too close to open position to the target, because we are only 12 pips, 11 pips away. So even if I decide to open it over here, 5 pips, but what, I'm gonna put 5 pips stop loss? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So we need some more space. So let them go a little bit lower first, and after that, later on, we're gonna look for a trade to go up, maybe from here. Okay, so at this moment we can leave it Euro USD. 1 second, guys, because on the other account I got also USD JPY open, but the take profit is a little bit higher, and I'm about to close this trade, missing 1 or 2 pips. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so Euro USD, let's leave it. What about GBP USD? This target, you can see it's already settled, so nothing to do right here, unless we're gonna check some the previous day targets. We can have a look at that as well, why not? All right, let's check it out. 1 hour time frame. There is target, look, guys, but it's too far. If we're gonna look at average trading range from the previous days, so GBP yesterday they done 67 pips from low to high. We got 64 pips. We got 78 pips. We have 85 pips, 95. So the average is around 70 pips. Okay, that's what we can do in 1 day. So we are around 130 pips away. So can we do that today? Probably not, because average daily trading range is around 70 pips. Okay, so we are too far. Maybe swing trading, maybe yes, but at this moment we are looking for some daily opportunities. So no, GBP no. Let's move forward. We're gonna check the second another strategy, smart money concept. I'm just looking first on our daily targets. Okay. Okay, USD CHF. We have targets down the bottom, a little bit close. Let's have a look what's going on from higher time frame. Come on, I need 1 more pips on USD JPY. 2 pips. Come on, come on. Okay, are we in any kind of rotation channel? Maybe that will help us just a little bit.
Why not? Yeah, the price is moving in some kind of rotation channel, which is good. We got undershoot and overshoot. What that means, if we got a situation like this from the bottom, we can expect something similar on the other side. And that what exactly happened right here. So this rotation channel is working pretty well, I can say. We got some undershoot, so this is some fake breakout through that rotation channel. That means there is a chance we're gonna go higher. So I'm not sure if I want to use that target from the bottom, okay? Yeah, and when we're looking on US dollar index, also it looks like we're gonna go a little bit higher. So we're gonna check if we got any other targets, maybe daily targets from previous day. Come on, guys, one more pips on USDJPY. One more, come on. Let me just secure the trade. Yeah, full take profit, guys. So nice. Both accounts. On one account, take profit was a little bit closer. The other one also it's done. So USDJPY this morning was very good. Okay, so first let's check if we got any previous day targets, maybe somewhere higher, so we can use it. In the expert advisors, let me just change the settings. All in panel, okay. Good. Yeah, guys, look at this. We got target, which is only 15 pips. What? Okay. Only 15 pips, but probably we can try to use this target. Why not? 1 second, guys. Like this, maybe not. 5 minutes time frame. These are simple lines, you know, the trend lines, resistance lines. You can draw them how you whatever you like. You can see this trend line was working this morning because there was a breakout and retest of this trend line, and we are on the way up. But also we are breaking through the other one right here together with some highs from yesterday. I'm just looking at some imbalances. No. So maybe we can use that target. Sometimes, guys, from 1 hour time frame, of course, we can find a place to enter the trade, but like you can see, we are only 14 pips away. So if you want to do it from 1 hour time frame, first of all, you need to wait for the candle to close above exponential moving average, but we won't have enough space probably. 1-to-1 risk to reward, I can do only for reaction. Okay, so set up for reaction. All the other trades, at least 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-5 risk to reward. Okay. Let's have a look if we got any cluster at the target, because if yes, we can set order, you know, for reaction, but I cannot see any target. Sorry, a cluster. That's okay. It's fine. So we cannot use it for reaction, but maybe from lower time frame. This is Asian session. This area, look at this support zone for buyers. We got resistance zone, from support to resistance, and from resistance to support. So we can wait for the price to go a little bit higher and retest this area. Then we can look for the trade to go up. Risk to rewards, at least 1 to 2. I'm not gonna make it smaller. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the retest, maybe let them go a little bit higher, then we're gonna wait for a retest. And it's gonna be great if we retest this trend line together with support resistance on. After reaction, we can try to go up. For this trade, probably we can use also our AI volume for another confirmation. But yeah, this is some bullish volume zone. So if you're gonna come back, retest it, we might have a chance to go up. Okay, so let's put it together because I want to save this into my trading journal. So first of all, I want to see the price going a little bit higher than we are waiting for the retest. If we're gonna have strong reaction, we need to also look for exponential moving average like this, and that will be that is some bullish volume zone. So we should be all right. And stop loss and take profit, something like this, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If we're gonna be able to set stop loss a little bit lower, that would be great. We're gonna have more space, more room for mistake. Okay, so yeah, it can look like this, and we're gonna try to use this setup. Let me just save this plan, and we're gonna put that in trading journal. 2 seconds. I need to create a new folder, live sessions, February, and today is 25th of February. So 25th of February, okay. And this is USD CHF. USD CHF. All right, and all in ASAP strategy. Good. So we got the first plan. Let me just put that in trading journal. Trading journal, add new trade. I need to update it. I need to update this profit from the morning, and I'm not sure. I think I didn't put yesterday trade into the. Yes, let me just double check. So we're gonna do that now as well. Those positions. Mm, 2000. I got this one here, but this one is wrong. We need to change it because I've put profit and we had loss. So I need to just add minus or over here. Okay, it's been updated yesterday, 2 trades. So let's add USD JPY. I'm gonna also save the screen. USD JPY. Okay, let's save it. Save USD JPY. Profit $5,000. Nice. Okay, so first let's put that trade USD JPY, because we need to count that to statistics. USD JPY. Buy, select strategy ASAP. Lot size, it was 2245. Profit of $4,967.38. Open price was 15570, and the close price was 156050. Today is the 25th of February 2026. Open time 0739, and the close time was 0913. Stop loss was for 16 pips and take profit for 32 pips. Risk was 0.25. Let's update the file. 25th USD JPY. Good. Count to statistics. Yes, we want to count that to statistics. Profit, yeah, okay, safe trade. All right, let's add another one. So this trade has been added. Yes, let's add new trade, but this is only trading plan, okay, on USD CHF. So ASAP. All these informations about the lot size, profit, we're gonna update that later because I'm not sure where exactly I'm gonna open the position, where will be stop loss and where will be take profit, and also what time we're gonna open that position. So we're gonna update it later. So don't worry about that. 25/02/2026. Open time also we don't know. So I'm gonna put like this. Stop loss, take profit, and the risk 0.25 for this trade. Choose file. Good. Trading plan. Let's save it. So this is the first trading plan saved for today. That's from yesterday. Basic buy. Yeah, we got here. Good. So back to overview. Look at these guys. We got a very nice profit since January the 12th already. We made $50,000 on our live trading sessions using very small risk, I can say. All right, so we can wait for that USD CHF. Let's move forward. Do we have any other targets? No, USD CAD is done, unless we got something different. Okay. Yes, we got previous day target, but the plan probably is gonna similar to USD CHF to go up. I'm gonna leave it because it's gonna be similar. USD JPY got to the target, which is good. Australian dollar, there is target right here. But we need to wait. I want to check crude oil. Oh yes, crude oil. We got nice targets. You can see. There was first attempt to get to the target. You can see the price went through this trend line. Pablo was talking about this trade, and Pablo was talking that this it was too early to enter the trade. And you can see Pablo was right. The price didn't get to the target. They went down. So we're gonna look for the trade maybe in the second or later on. We still got this target with statistics of 84%. So we have 84% chances that we're gonna get to the target today. Okay, so we want to use this information. Of course, we need to find the right place to enter the position because, you know, if you are trying to enter the trade maybe after this breakout, probably you would have stop loss. So we need to find the right place to enter the trade. So let's do it. I'm gonna close it. I want to have a look from higher time frame also because sometimes it helps. So when we are looking at higher time frame, we can see the price is moving in some kind of range, okay, for last few days. So since 19th, they stopped somewhere here because the price was moving up, and now we are going up and down from one side to the other side, from bottom to the top, okay, and we are getting somewhere the bottom. Which means if we're gonna reach somewhere around this area, we may look for some long opportunities because if we are in this kind of range, usually we can use these areas, top to go down, bottom to go up, because this range can last for sometimes for 2 weeks. Okay, so why not to use it? This is higher time frame, guys, so it's just support for me. So okay, let me just check one more thing. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's jump into 5 minutes time frame. So we know what's going on from higher time frame. I just want to mark this zone right here as this is some kind of support resistance zone. Usually the price was reacting in this area. So maybe we're gonna get there and we will have reaction. The price got to the imbalance from yesterday and there is reaction. You know, what we can do, because this candle is looking nice, I want to see the volume footprint to check if we got any nice opportunity. Yeah. Okay, so no, order volume footprint, it won't help us to make this decision. It doesn't matter, but we can still use some other tools, some other toys, I can say. We got some volume area right here. The price is slowly breaking through. So because we got target, which is right here, we can try to add another trend line, resistance line like this. Not sure yet. And we had some, this is some kind of support resistance zone, the current one, okay, from lower time frame. You can see the price was reacting here. They were bouncing. And now we stopped here as well, again. So if you're gonna break through and retest this area, we might have a chance to go up, okay? But first of all, we need to get to the other side of the support resistance zone. So the price needs to get here somewhere because we are still at the bottom of this area. And this is trend line. So you know what can happen. The price can bounce and go down. So we want to avoid that situation, and the entry can be, we don't want to enter the position too early. The only thing is, I'm wondering about stop loss, because I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough space over here. We are 32 pips away at this moment. So if we're gonna break through, of course, we can try more aggressive entry after the candle is gonna close here to get to the target and stop loss a little bit lower. So if the candle is gonna close, we can try. I don't like to do that because it's more risky trade, and probably we can do something like this and 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It can work basically, but the other option is if we're gonna break through, retest, and we're gonna try to get to the target after reaction. Probably stop loss is gonna be tight. We need to be careful because if there's not enough space on crude oil, guys, usually on crude oil there is also quite big spread, a little bit bigger than on the other assets. So we need to have enough space, okay, to enter the trade. So we'll see. It might be a little bit tight, but you can see the price is breaking through. So yeah, more aggressive one to enter the trade after this candle. If it's gonna close like this, stop loss and take profit. More aggressive one. But also we can wait for the retest. Okay, so we got another 3 minutes to see if this candle is gonna close like this. They might go straight up. That's another option, what they can do. But it's good because we are on the other side of this trend line and on the other side of support resistance zone. So this can be good. Okay, let's wait a few more minutes. In the meantime, let's check gold. Gold, guys, probably this target is gonna be reached in the second because the price is slowly, very slow, moving up, and probably we're gonna get to that target. So Was there a chance to open a trade somewhere here? Probably not. It's a bit tight. Even if you, after this candle, you would open the position 1-to-1, very risky trade. So probably not. Sometimes it's better to leave it. If you are not sure if the price is too close, you're not sure about your stop loss, your risk to reward ratio, is better to leave the trade. You don't need to open the trade every time the market is moving. So gold probably not. I want to check also daily targets, previous day. Let's have a look. 1 hour time frame. What's going on here? All right, the targets are at the bottom. The price is moving up, so let's leave it. It's gonna be better. Okay, so one more which I want to check is S&P 500. Let me just check USD CHF. We might have a chance in the second. And crude oil, we'll see. We will see. All right. If we're gonna have nice imbalance here, I will consider opening the trades from here like a pending order. We're gonna check that in a second. S&P 500. Okay. Anything over here? No. No. Okay, so let's focus on those three instruments because we got targets. We just need to find the right place to enter the trades so we can have some more profits this morning. USD CHF. Good. We are on the other side of the support zone. Let them retest this trend line, or also we can retest this bullish rotation channel. We'll see. Okay, but if we're gonna go low like here, I'm gonna wait for the price to get to the other side of the support zone and resistance zone, and then we're gonna go straight up. So probably a few more minutes. We know what to do on this one. US crude oil. To pending order. Can we do pending order right here? Not sure about that. I am not sure about that. If I want to set pending order. Could be something like this, but it's a little bit risky, guys. It's around 17 pips from the highest point, so it's 17 pips or around this area. No, for me, guys, it's not enough space. Okay, because if we're gonna include spread and all other stuff, it's a little bit tight over here. We're supposed to wait for reaction, then enter the position. But if we're gonna enter it here, if we want to make it 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, stop loss will be very tight, very risky trade. So better leave it for now. Maybe if we're gonna go lower, who knows? We still might go lower because, like I showed you before, we still got some space to the bottom of this range. Okay, so there is a chance we're gonna go lower, and from here we're gonna have much more space. So later we can look for the trade, and maybe we're gonna extend our take profit. So we're gonna go a little bit higher. So I'm gonna wait. Doesn't look too good for me, especially this candle right here. You can see strong bearish candle. It's much bigger than the previous one, the bullish candle. This was very nice, but you can see the sellers are pushing the price down. So no, let's leave it at this moment. Even if we're gonna get somewhere here, we're gonna try again. Okay, that's for sure. And the last one was Gold, no. 48 USD CHF. Good. They are going a little bit higher. We're gonna wait for this retest to enter the trade, so it's okay. All right, guys, I'm going to move to trading view for now because we can also look at other strategies like smart money concept. Why not? We can play some we can make some different plans. Mix algo sessions. Let me just change it. Okay. Euro USD, look, they grabbed liquidity and they are going down. Oh, we are so late. And there was a retest. Guys, we missed this setup, and that was during our session. No, before. Sorry. Before the session. Okay. So maybe we didn't miss that. But using our simple setup, you can see trend line, we had the breakout and retest. A nice candle, this one or that one, we could enter the position to go down, of course. It's a little bit late. We can check also GBP USD. Good. We had also retest right here. And we are retesting. No, we are not. USD CAD. Look here as well. They grabbed it. We are so late. Why I didn't see that before? Also, breakout and retest, guys. We're supposed to be in position right here. Oh no. We could enter it here or even after this candle. This is very safe trade, big stop loss, take profit, and it would be halfway, but we missed that because I focus on the all-in ASAP strategy. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. Let me just quickly have a look. I don't want to miss anything else. Maybe we're gonna try to join them. Because sometimes when you think you are late, don't worry, you can always set pending order, even if the in the same place where you wanted to open the position. Let's say you wanted to open over here, but the price went up. You can still try to set pending order in this place because market is moving up and down. We got some pullbacks, so why not? The market can come back here and they're gonna activate your trade in the same place where you wanted to open it in the first place. So yes, this is USD CAD. And let's have a look which one is better. USD CAD, no, GBP USD. I think GBP USD can be good. Or some short position maybe, or Euro USD. Euro is looking a little bit better, I think. Here's some kind of range, and we are somewhere at the top, which is good. Pull back to 50% in reaction. Okay, I want to check volume levels. GBP USD. Volume edge secured. Guys, we're gonna finish our session in around 5 minutes time because we're gonna start another one on our Discord channel. So if you want to rejoin the session and see some continuations maybe of our plans, you can join Discord. if you are a part of our community. If not, you can contact us also to find out how you can how we can get access, okay? Reaction at volume level. This is nice volume, guys. I'm gonna try to use it later. Why? Because it's in liquidity zone. So if you're gonna reach this level, we might see reaction. Very nice volume level, but nothing else close by. Another one is here for a bit late. No, guys, I'm gonna focus on this one. This is looking good, but we need some pullback, and then we're gonna try to enter this trade. For me, at this moment, is looking the best option for me, and we got plenty of space. We can go much higher, of course. So this is pretty good, I can say. But we're gonna have to wait for that. I'm not sure about GBP. It can work, but I'm just a little bit confused. There was a retest of this. Yes. If they're gonna go down, we could probably do something like this to set the order. But I'm a little bit confused. Okay, so yeah, for now, I will leave it. I will wait for USD CHF probably. So guys, few options we have. Crude oil also, look, they stopped here, but probably it's gonna be better to wait for them to drop a little bit lower. Okay, so we're gonna look at that trade slowly, guys. I've got nice profit today. The day started very good. I just need to update Discord channel about this trade because it finished with take profit. You can see I've sent it in the morning before the position was activated. Now we got full take profit. So okay, guys, that's it for now. We're gonna switch to Discord. Okay, so we need like 3 minutes maybe to switch the channels. So you can go to the Discord channel if you are part of our community. We're gonna continue our session. Pavel is gonna look for some setups using maybe different strategy. We will see. So guys, for now, thank you very much. Thank you for being here today with me, and I will see you guys later on to 2 p.m. We're gonna have another live trading session, so we're gonna try to make some more profits. Thank you guys. I wish you all the best. Good luck. I wish you a lot of profits, and see you later. Take care.